So we bought one of these.
What we do here is go back.
Bought this on eBay. I'll put the link down below. And this is how it came. There are no instructions. It's pretty solid. I don't know if it sounds like metal. It hurts like metal. But it is also shiny, and look at the fingerprints. This is gonna get scratched up. So I did get the silver one. There is like a darker gray, whatever the carbide they call it. I mean, it is a reflective surface. Look, you can see me. But let's see. So it does have 2 screws in here already. So I wonder what those extra screws are. I guess in case you lose them. And it does come with this little screwdriver, because if you don't work with like electronics, you're probably not going to have a screwdriver this tiny. I do have a screwdriver that tiny, but since they gave me this one, I might as well use it. Okay, so I see there's like a little hook here in the top, and then there's a rubber interior which fully encapsulates almost, except for, oh, it does. No, there's a hole. Okay. The one thing I did notice right off the bat is that there's the button here for the alarm, and there's no visual representation of that button. So you just have to remember that it's here. The alarm button. Boom. All right, that kind of slipped in there nicely. All right, let's get the cover on. Let's do that first, because we're going to go like that. And put those screws back in. So it's interesting that it actually came with screws, and then the 2 screws that they provide have like a little bit of the blue Loctite on the threads. So I wonder if these are going to actually just like come out eventually, and then I'll have to replace them with the screws that they gave me. Hopefully, we'll see. I'll keep you posted if these screws pop out. Okay. Now for the leather, quote unquote leather. I mean, it looks like composite leather, like little pieces of leather glued and bonded together, which is why you can see such discoloration, but whatever, it's cheap. Oh, now it's like pretty heavy. That's nice. It's got a good weight to it. Hold on. Let's check it out. So with the case by itself, 2.6 ounces. .8. Okay, it's heavy. So the key by itself weighs 1.3 ounces. Okay. And then the key with the case, more than double. Yeah, it added some heft to it, which is nice, because it does look like a sturdy piece of equipment. And so now it feels like a sturdy piece of equipment. I'm liking this so far. Outside of the fingerprints, I'm liking it. Appealing to me for some reason. So let's see. It comes with these set screws. It gives you 3, I guess, in case you drop one, because they're so tiny. Okay. So the plan is take this, fold it in half, the way you want it to look. Let's see, stick it through here. line those up. Take this, put it in here, or yeah, put it this way. So yes, it'll look like this, and then put in the set screws. So now, I know it's going to resist. Don't want to strip that little screw, but you do want to get it nice and tight. Not bad. Not bad. And could I get it out of this little slot here? I'm sure I could if I wanted to ruin the leather and stretch it out, but right now it's not going to come out. I was worried about that before, and I guess you could hook rings in there easily, and then rings would fall out, like typical rings, but because of the leather piece, at least for now, it seems okay, although it seems to be distorting almost instantly. But here we go. This is the final product, and I'll hold on to this extra set screw and these 2 extra thread locked screws in case I'm gonna need those shortly. So I'll let you know if the screws fall out in the back here, but I mean, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. The one thing you do not have is the little blinking LED light that confirms that the remote is working. And like I said, this is covered, but it's there. I think it's a Z4. Let me know what you think. But it's a nice key fob. I don't know if I would trust it, but like as far as impact absorption, it's not like flimsy metal, plastic, sheet aluminum or something like that. But the fingerprints, man, I don't know if you can get over the fingerprints. It's pretty nice. They have a darker one also. Yeah, I'll let you know how it goes. So this is day 1, and so far I'm happy. Thanks for watching.